Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars.
Welcome to the 4th Annual Wheeling High School Car Show, sponsored by the AVID program and as a fundraiser for the AVID Advancement via Individual Determination College Prep program and the Ups for Downs program as well.
From Mount Prospect, 1970 redone Skylark GS 462 stage 1 built, M22 trans with Italian gears, 342 Posi. I've had it 4 years. It's only been in the rain twice. Have plates in honor of my dad, Gung Ho. He was a Marine Raider, World War II, shot, stabbed, and burned with Jimmy Roosevelt. Put his plates. He's in Arlington. Really miss him. He didn't like cars, but kept me out of trouble. Kept me off the bar stools as I grew up. The original interior in here been redone pretty much. Take my grandkids in here for a ride. Nice to just get out and enjoy life. Life can be so short. You got to go out and have fun. What else? Got an AM/FM radio in there built. Power steering. Put new disc brakes on the front. I needed that real bad. What else? Running purple. I've been winning trophies.
How old are these rims?
These rims on here are Buick rims. They're probably about, one's been replated. A couple of them are original there from the car. I'm not the original owner.
Okay. Because they look in great condition.
It was a frame-on restoration professionally. There's no rust on the car. All new panels. Panels underneath, all being redone or replaced if there's any rust at all.
There you go.
Pretty much.
Talk to us about the engine.
The engine, it's a 462 stage 1 built. Probably, I don't know the horsepower, and I have not dragged, ran at Union Grove, but ex-drag racer myself. Just trying to enjoy fun. I like to jump on it once in a while, maybe do some burnouts. You got to do that.
I like your plate.
Respect life. Yeah, that's Gung Ho. That's the Marine emblem. It's Gung Ho, Ding Hao, Semper Fi, do or die. That was Special Forces of World War II. My dad fought with Jimmy Roosevelt, the 4th Raiders. They pushed them to the max, these guys. Stayed up for days like a Navy SEAL. A very special unit, but he survived. He wouldn't talk about it, but he said there's no atheists in the foxhole at all. Father Redmond gave mass in Okinawa, my dad said. Guy came up to my dad and said, "Dan, we're not making it out of Okinawa." Shot his foot off right in front of him. He says, "I'm going home, Dan. You're not going to make it out of here." He wrote a letter to his dad, "I don't think I'm going to make it out of here."
Have you won some car shows?
Yeah, I've been winning some shows, pretty much. Not all the time. Just going to shows and having fun, just enjoying things.
Did you have the car painted?
No, it was redone and repainted.
Okay.
I had it done. Pretty much, I looked 6 months for a car. I found this. Actually, I wanted a Chevelle 138 matching number car. But you never know with people. They can cheat on the plate and everything. And the underneath is immaculate, pretty much. I haven't waxed the gas tank at all. Might do that.
How's the car to drive?
It's a 1970. Steers nice and good, about 3 grand, 3,000 RPM, about 60 miles an hour. Gets up and goes. I can run pump gas. I got hardened seals on here, so I don't have to run leaded gas.
Okay.
Once in a while I'll run race gas in here, and she really flies. So I could pretty much drive this thing just about anywhere. A little hard to start when it's hot. The fuel atomizes, so that's one of the problems. So I put a fiber spacer between the intake and the carb on here. That seems to help on startup, but other than that, no problems pretty much. I'm running synthetic 1030 oil and Wix filters. Really like Wix filters on here. Royal Purple. I was running a Valvoline racing oil, but on startup the valves were knocking real bad on here, so I went to Royal Purple and no knocking at all on initial startup. Thanks for watching this. Enjoy and have a good day. Beautiful day. Bye. Thank you.